Hello guys, this is Hassan from HDFX and I wanna just update this gold idea here and what's the problem with it, okay? Now I did this count a little bit different. It was 2 second wave somewhere. Yeah, I said second wave is not done. Look, this is exactly what I wrote. The idea here, the second wave being a running correction, okay? Which my mind was like A, B, and a C wave, the C wave being a terminal move, and an X wave, and then actually what market actually did something like this. Look, wave A here, wave B here, okay, and a wave C here, wave D, and a wave E. And I think the E wave also a triangle on its own. So what it looks like, it looks something like this. This and this is a triangle with either an E baseline or C and E. Now, what's wrong with this idea? Well, and why I'm not saying, okay, after this, the third wave has started. Now, we cannot say this. Why? Well, like I said on the previous, this is from the previous idea. The problem with this is this. Whenever you have a running correction as a second wave, you have to draw 0 to 2 trend line like always. And any part of third wave cannot pierce it or touch it. Now look, if we closely look at it, in here it does, in here it does. So what's the problem here? Well, the problem is this maybe can be acceptable too, okay? Because the part of second wave can pierce it. But look, as you can see, this is like so close to it, okay? So as long as we don't break so much this angle, I would still um, accept what's going on, okay? But if a gold, which I think it will make a like break something like this, okay, something like this or something, and breaks it like completely, but not just smallly here, then I would say this idea it's not good. Also, by the time here, I I would already take the profit, okay, because when we did it, it was something like it was I don't know 17 something here, so 100 pips, actually 1000 pips for the goal is good money. So, but the idea to be valid is also this price should not be doing this. Also, another thing, maybe this is a wave A of a zigzag, and we have a B wave of a zigzag here, and then we will have a C wave of a zigzag. Okay, now what's the deal here? Well, this running correction doesn't always happen on the second wave. It can also happen in a zigzag too. So in a zigzag, it does look like this. So we have a wave A here, okay, and you have a wave B, something like this, and you have a wave C. Okay, this happens. It can happen technically here as well. And then when it's happening like so, then the 0 to 2 trend line doesn't work anymore. There is no need for it. However, even if the 0 to 2 trend line can we don't need it, still the C wave, for example, shouldn't make shouldn't come, because look, whatever it is, the start after B wave is another impulsive move. So where is this? So whatever this is has to be an impulsive move, okay? So if it does something like this, like this, like this, like this, it means that it is not a classical impulsive move. Well, it can be a terminal move. Of course, it can be a terminal move too. But for now, we don't have enough information to label this as a classical impulsive move or a terminal move. Okay. However, if this is 1 and this is 2, I'm sorry, this is 2 and this is 3. Now, in that case, this price action cannot be a terminal move, because third wave can never be a terminal move. Okay, in that case, what you should do, we should take the length of the first wave and take 161.8 out of it and then put it on the second wave. Now, if you have this running correction in a second wave, the third wave has to be the one that is extended. Because look, on a normal impulsive move, you can have the extension on either the first wave, either the third wave, or either the fifth wave. However, if the second wave is a running correction, then the only place that you can have the extension is the third wave. Okay? So you choose what you think that works the best. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me.